Hi, good evening. It's been a while. I have been off this for a long time. I think my last video was about almost a year ago. Well, 2019 was a long year, and I got really busy, and I couldn't keep up. Basically, I'm not a professional vlogger. I have like a regular job that sometimes takes my time, and I think the main thing that happened was I tried to. Well, it's a bit dark. Yeah, I tried to do a lot of things at once. I I I had a request. It's a lot of things really. I had a request for subtitles. Some of you demanded for subtitles so I could carry along, and I started putting subtitles. Well, apparently it was a bit, looking for the best light. It was a bit too much. Obiadi ka malachilaka na bụ nwunye n'ọnụ. Ya bụ ihe wee na amapụ m ọgọdọ n'ukwu. So I got a bit overwhelmed by adding subtitles. The editing time went from a few minutes to hours because I was learning on the job. I had never done such a thing before, so it was taking so much of my time. And work commitments, I got busy. So basically I just abandoned ship. So I'm going to give it another shot this year. Try and be more consistent. And with the subtitle thing, I don't know how it's going to work yet. If I have time, I would like to carry people along. If I have time, I'll put the subtitles. But please understand, when I do videos without subtitles, it's quite tasking. So bear with me. I'll try and be more consistent. If I can, I don't know. I'm not going to give you a timeline, but I'll try and be more consistent. Maybe 2 videos a month, maybe 1 video a month. Trying to juggle this with some other things. But yeah, let's see if I get my stride right. I can be more consistent. Mana bikon when na other mbia mina for such a long time. So but let's kai work also this year. Kai foka oge si wee dị. Nke na-eme ya na-emesi ike. Ihe na-agala anyị nche ọfụma. Godin